Hello everyone, this is Dr. Praveen Verma from Adarsh Vidya Mandir, Mount Abu. Students, today we will learn how can you balance a chemical reaction or equation. So first thing, what is chemical reaction? It is a process in which the reactants are converted into product, and we represent a chemical reaction by the symbols or formula of element or compound. So this way of representation is called as chemical equation. For example, magnesium react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. That is a chemical reaction. So the symbol of magnesium is Mg, and for oxygen gas it is, the formula of oxygen gas is O2, and the formula of magnesium oxide is MgO. So that is the chemical equation. Mg plus O2 gives MgO. So now it is not balanced. How can we check whether the reaction is balanced or not? So actually we have to count the number of atoms of different elements. So if the number of atoms of different elements are equal on both sides, it means the reactant side or product side, then the chemical reaction or equation is balanced, we can say. So if you see this reaction, Mg plus O2 gives MgO. There is one magnesium atom, and O2, it means what? O2 is molecule, so it has two oxygen atoms. So the oxygen atoms are 2. But in this side, it means product side, if we have what? MgO, so there is only one magnesium atom and one oxygen atom. So we can see that on reactant side there are two oxygen atoms, so it is not a balanced reaction. So how can we balance? Actually we have to equalize the number of atoms on both sides. So in this method, first we have to find out the element which have highest number of atoms. So we have to balance these elements first. Okay, so if you see this one, so the magnesium, the number of magnesium atoms are same, but the oxygen in this side there are two oxygen atoms, so we have to balance the oxygen. So for balancing we have to multiply the formula with an appropriate number. So in this side we have to actually equalize the number of oxygen atom, so we can multiply this one by 2. So now it becomes 2 MgO. So when we multiply by 2, so again what happened? Now there are 2 Mg and 2 oxygen, but here we have only 2 oxygen and 1 magnesium atom. So we have to multiply this one also with 2. Now you can see 2 Mg plus O2 gives 2 Mg. Now it is what? Balanced, because on both sides if you see there are 2 oxygen and 2 magnesium. You can see. So now it is what? Balanced chemical equation. Now next example we can have CH4 plus O2 gives CO2 plus H2. How can we balance? So if you count this one, number of atoms, so we have 4 oxygen atoms here and here 2. Okay, and for oxygen there are 2 oxygen atoms, and here O2 plus O there are 3 oxygen atoms, and here we have what? 1 carbon and 1 carbon. So if you see, the hydrogen atoms have what? Maximum number. So first we have to balance hydrogen. So here we have 4 hydrogens, so we have to multiply H2 by 2 to balance the hydrogens. So you can see that now on both sides we have 4 hydrogen atoms, CH4 and 2H2. But as we balance hydrogen, the oxygen, if you count the oxygen atoms, so 2 oxygen atoms are here and 2 here, so 4 we have. So we have to multiply this one by 2. Okay, now you can see that this chemical reaction equation is now balanced. CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2. If you count the atoms, 1 carbon, 1 carbon, and hydrogen 4, and 2 into 2, that is 4 hydrogen. And for oxygen 2 into 2, there are 4 oxygen and 2 and plus 2, so there are 4 oxygen. So now it is balanced chemical equation. This topic is finished. We will continue the topic in next period. Thank you.